So that's it. He bought it off eBay. I think it was about £119. He already bought one, but when it come for, I think it was £60 odd, but when it come, the back of the mirror thing, the mounting wasn't right. It was for clipping onto a mirror that was already there, but we've not got one. So that one has got like a shoe mount on it or something like that. It's got a little mount on it, and then can fix it to the front of the windscreen. So that's the thing, isn't it? So that's a gasket, did you say?
Yeah, it goes on here. It's got a sided one, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. I just thought it was a piece of cardboard. I'd have threw it away. Knowing me.
Well, you have to do with that.
Yeah, instructions.
Camera. 12-volt supply.
And
So where's 12-volt supply? Is that it? That must be it. That's your audio visual.
yeah, I'm going to say that was audio.
There's your audio for that thing. That
Yeah.
must be your power supply for the camera. So that plugs into there. So I've got to connect that to a power source.
To a power source at the front of the cab.
All at the back.
Oh, right.
Don't know what that wire is. Don't know what that's for though. Where is it? Yeah.
No one is on about. Went all blue in there.
Green trigger wire not used. Red and black ground. And the red goes to reversing feed. So that's what they're for. Is there a red and
It's only that.
yeah? So they go to the reversing lights. It's got green
Yeah.
trigger wire not used. Yeah.
So we found some more leads.
So that goes in
that
there.
box.
And the yellow goes onto there. The white one's not used, I don't think.
Let's have a look.
I don't know what that wire's for.
Can I have a look at this paper?
I need to go to it.
Right, this is the paper. Is it blurry now? So you got that in one box. And then that in another box.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Mabel. Hello, beautiful. We've got no internet, have we, this weekend?
No. Thanks to BT.
Oh dear. Anyway, so he's at it already. Look. Ladders are out. And that's where it goes in the... And then it's got the wires and then they travel all the way through the van. What are you doing now, mister? So you pulled the carpet back off so you can fit that thing. Is it easy to get to?
Who put the big hole in, man?
There we go. That's out. Hello. There's the owl that is flicked out. And then the wiring from that will go all the way along down, and I think it's just going to follow that main lead there. That's what I'm assuming, and around. Hey. Hello. Glasses are on. What are you doing out there? Up. You sprayed me? He's cleaning the outside of the van because he just sprayed me. Smells nice. New threads for leads in. And then it should just fit into place. So there's the light done. He's gonna put some sealant around it so it seals in place. It just clipped in with some little brackets that was on it. And then now he's gonna wire it in. So you're just wiring it in.
I'm just connecting this power cable up to it.
All right. What power cable is it? The one that come with it?
The one that come with it, and then
Yeah.
I can just shove it inside the thingy then. The heat shrink it all.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, so he's just bought that. What's that? Soldering iron.
Soldering iron station, it's called.
Soldering iron station. Draper or something. Just bought that. It's just soldering the wires together.
And then I want to put a thicker piece on to cover it all then. And them should do. So I've just pulled it apart now. So I'll put that on there. Then we have to put one on there. Small one on there that I've just cut. Another one on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're on now. So now we start again.
So you just twist the wires together.
Need something to hold that up. Hold it there, out the way. Come on.
Play ball.
It's not playing ball though, is it?
Yeah, but it will. Oh, so it just melts that.
Melts the solder. Solders the wires together.
Oh, that's
Best
cool.
connection ever. Look at that. Best connection you can have. And then all you do then is a bit of heat shrink.
Yeah.
Slide the heat shrink over. Yeah, onto the wire.
Yeah.
Lighter.
Yeah. And it just melts it to it, binds it to it type of thing.
It just shrinks it. That's why it's called heat shrink.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to do the same again. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. And this is just powering it up.
Yeah, this is so we're going to power it from a switch from the front.
Right, that's why you're putting it in. Yeah. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to switch.
No.
You don't want to switch, you don't have to do that. It'll just go on when you put your van in reverse.
That's it.
And it just
so that's
shrinks
that.
it.
Then, to cover them.
All right.
Like that.
What if you get that back off?
You just cut it, peel it off. It's not glued, it just shrinks.
Right, okay.
So this might be a bit big.
Are you looking for? Woo, wind's coming up.
What coming up?
Wind. Oh, way up. Got the big boy out. Which I don't stand on the wire. What's that called? Oh, a blowtorch.
No.
Just worked, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you got camo on.
I know that.
Oh, that's better. You just have to watch you don't do it too much and it melts.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I've only been melting the wires. It only needs a cover. It only needs a cover and
protect them.
That's all. Yeah, so that can go off for the moment.
Yep.
Can I?
Yeah.
Move that out the way really so we don't start kicking it. And you just bloody thing.
I know. How much was it?
On top. That was about £35 altogether. Oh, £32. £32 it was. And then the solder you have to buy extra.
Okay. Oh yeah, that was that.
That's that.
Yeah.
So I'll put that up there because we only need this for when we're soldering. It's out the way, innit?
Yeah. So that wire was because we want it on a switch, not just on when you put it on reverse.
Good bit of kit. Right, yeah. So now we've got the power cable.
Yeah.
Right, there's a question for you. Do you think I should wrap this in some loom tape?
Yep.
Loom tape.
Yeah.
So it's only
because you don't need conduit for that. Yeah. I would.
Double insulated.
Good luck.
Because it's not moving about. I don't know where my loop tape is.
Because I remember somebody putting the wire in him for the camera, and because they didn't put it in any protective thing, it ended up breaking, didn't it? Yeah. And they had to redo it.
Oh, that's why I'm looking for loom tape.
I don't know what it looks like.
Yeah, you probably do. You probably put it away.
It's me.
Loom tape.
It's me. Behind the camera. Here we go.
So this is loom tape.
Alright.
So from the plug, to protect it, it mustn't have, the voltage on it must be very minimal on this because the cable's not very thick.
So you just wind that round.
It's not as easy
Just
as
to
that. You
protect
put
it.
all the way around.
I know you do. I saw them do it on the internet. So now you've taped all that up, that red and black
I'm
wire.
just taping them together.
And you're taping them two together. And then where do they go?
Through this little hole here.
Yeah.
Inside.
Inside there and connect to that camera.
Yeah. So that every 12 inches I'm just taping them together. Keep the wires. Just keep the wires together.
The dogs have got the zoomies. Yay. So he's threading it through with that stiffer wire. Connected it to that wire and dragging it through. See, we're professionals now, aren't we, Dave? Professionals, we know what we're doing.
Alright.
It's going to fasten
Put the
it.
step down. No.
No, you're on it.
Alright.
Does she want to come up?
Yeah.
Goodness me. Yeah.
That goes in there. And that goes in there. And then what we do, put a bit of tape around them so they don't come apart as we're travelling.
And that's connected to that light now.
To the light?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is now. Yeah, now it is.
And then the lead goes
The lead goes there.
all, yeah, all the way along there. All the way along there. Comes out. There. That's it. And it's gonna be on a switch somewhere around the cab area.
Right. I'll put this down. Put it back up now.
Well, why don't you do it all, see if it works first before you put all the carpet back up? Don't you think? Make sure it works first.
Put the cables.
They're in your box, sir. Or you just cable tying them along. Yep. Hello, Twinkle Toes. Hello, Missie. La la la. So he's threaded him all through there. Down a hole in there. So they're out the way. He's took the seal from round the door. And it's just cable tying that up so it's tidy for the way. Pouring it round the door, I think. Oh, you're going to put an hole in the roof. How's it get through?
I don't know at the moment.
Oh, all right.
Why is it going to go down the fence? Down there.
Ah, come out the other end.
It's not there yet.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You go and put your end there, and I'll thread them through there.
This one.
That was the power to the camera. That lead that's just gone through. Just threading the other one. That. What does that do, Dave? Goes to the mirror.
This is for the visual. Not the audio, the visual.
Right.
So it doesn't have audio. It's just the camera.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. Just then we can see, isn't it?
Just threading this loose. Because most of it will just end up inside the headline.
Yeah.
In the access. It's just that I want it there at the front out the way.
So it's gone through up, down there, through an hole into the frame there. And then he's going to thread it down. Don't know what he's going to do. Oh, I know what he might do. He might feed it along the top there so it comes to the mirror. So what Dave said is it's going on a button. It's not going on to for when we reverse. It's going to go on a button. Then we can have it on whenever we want. If we see anybody behind or whatever, we can just press a button and it'll come on then.
Come on.
Yeah?
Come on. Yeah.
And he's talking to the dog because she wants to be with him all the time. Don't she? There you go. Sit with your dad. So that's the thing. He's just wiring it all up now to that wire he's just put through. And we're going to try it before we put all the carpet and everything back. Did you get some more of that tape?
What tape?
That what you've got hold of. So we've put that tape on there so the plugs don't come apart when it's in the headliner. So it's just securing them a bit.
You alright? You want to get up here?
She wants to get on your knee. Oh, talk about separation anxiety with a dog. She is terrible for him.
Hmm?
She wants to be with him all the time. We're quite happy now. Now she's in his arms. Won't she? And Mabel, where's she?
Yeah.
She's a bit scared of coming in.
Yeah, move that.
Okay.
So
there she is, next to her dad. Mabel doesn't kind of like, she doesn't like staying in here for some reason, does she? But she'll have to get used to it. I don't know where she's gone. But never mind. Put you back onto this wiring.
Have to do a bit more soldering.
Would you like your kit?
Well, I do it on the back, it's easier. Don't have to do it. You just have to watch it.
Stay there, isn't he? It's only, you're alright. No, he's only here. He's here at the back. He's coming at the back. Missie. Stay there. There he is.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, right. Okay.
And they want tucking in the headline and then this is
It's
the power
out the game.
cable.
Yeah.
And that power cable won't put it on
The switch.
a switch somewhere. I can just switch it.
It's all right. Looks big enough.
Have me cup of tea now. Now we've got that far.
Where's the switch? Have we got a switch? Oh, so wired it through.
I've only wired it temporary to the battery
Okay, and let's see.
because I haven't got a switch yet to put in here.
All right.
So watch them wires at the back. You don't kick them
Yep.
going into the
So
battery.
is it working?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Yes. I don't think people can see that.
Yeah, it's because the back doors are open.
Wow. It's actually working. Hey, you're good, aren't you?
What do you mean it's actually working, you cheeky gets?
So we can put things back now, can't we? We just wanted to try. Ah, well done. Very good, Dave. Proud of you.
Come on, let's get down.
So we can put all that carpet back, and we just have to get a button. So you can wire it to a button down there somewhere, and then you can just switch it on when he needs it.
Right, so let's
That's good, isn't it?
pull them off.
You've done a good job. You've done a good job, Dave.
Pull them out the battery.
Ain't you done a good job? I'm proud of you.
There you go, they're just
So
connected
that's
on,
the
mate, you're
reversing camera sorted.
now. Come on.
Tick. Thank you for watching. See you again.